Hi, I'm Rebecca Stone, your studio NPL photography and video production mentor. Recently, we checked in with Will Harper. Will is our 3D design mentor that you've probably seen at our East Branch, our Green Hills Branch, and downtown at the main branch. He teaches all types of great skills that have to do with 3D designing. And this last month, he's been using those skills for some really important causes. Let's check in with him and see what he's been up to.
Hey, so we're here at MakeNashville in the 3D printing lab with a whole bunch of 3D printed visors and a couple masks. I had a couple weeks ago the goal to 3D print a sculpture every day of the month, and I could show you those, but they're not very relevant or important right now. It didn't take long before I realized that these machines could be put to much better use in producing helpful PPE, or personal protective equipment, for first responders and those on the front line in the medical community. So we're just cranking out as much of these as we can. We've got a bunch of our members at home using their personal printers and networking with other people in the Middle Tennessee area who have either professional businesses or just hobbyists with these machines, and they can help protect those who need it the most right now, so we can keep everybody who's sick well taken care of and minimize the damage from the coronavirus. So I'm just tying some elastic to use for this headband. This is the face shield design that we started printing last week, and we printed probably about, 40, 50, 60, a whole bunch of them. I still really like this design. This one does have an advantage, I would say, mostly in that there's a lot of space in between the part that goes on your forehead and the part that holds the face shield on the front. You get about like 2.5 inches, so that if you're wearing a mask or something underneath it, you've got a lot of space for it. Like this mask I'm wearing here, this is actually made, it's called the Foo design. It is made to specifically fit over an R95 rated mask. You can wear it without anything under it, but it fits really nicely over the regular issued medical masks. And Taylor Winston from Country Rebel Hill here has CNC laser cutters, and I thought about him the other day about getting some of the visors laser cut. And as soon as I contacted him, he said, I'm already designing patterns that can be sewn into these masks. And we've had volunteers from Hands on Nashville in here sewing, helping us sew. And it's some people are taking them home and staying socially isolated. It's really nice. Some of them are in progress. We're also using up all the elastic in Nashville, Tennessee.